Every audio published online is categorized by a machine. This project is about building that machine. Konnichiwa friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the problem statement and data description for our 2026 DL and GenAI project term 1. Okay, in this video our goal is to understand the problem statement, understand the data, what to learn and what not to, and also to make a demo notebook for our submission for this project. Okay, so we'll be learning many things for this project. Now for the problem statement here, basically the problem statement is to design and train a machine learning model that can accurately predict the genre of a noisy mashup audio file. In short, we are given an audio file with music, vocals and environmental sound, and basically what we have to do is to understand the music and we have to classify the music out of 10 categories. Okay, so we have to build a machine learning model that can predict the genre of a noisy mashup audio file with our music and background noise. And for that song you have to correctly classify it. Okay, so each mashup consists of multiple instruments which are mixed together and further corrupted with environmental noise. So you have music and then background noise which are mixed together, and you have to correctly predict one of the 7 predefined genre. Okay, so you have to predict one of the 10 predefined genre of the song. Okay, so if you'll go to the data, you will see 10 genre here. Okay, hip hop, jazz, metal, pop, rock, blue, classical, etc. Basically 10 predefined genres, and this is a classification problem. Okay, now coming to the real world motivation for this project. So in real life the audio data is really clean. Okay, so like in studio when we record music or sing or even make a mashup there or even do voice acting. Okay, so here basically the audio data is rarely clean. So the like our streaming platforms, music recommendation systems and media indexing tools often encounter mixed or noisy audio sync. For example, our live recording, remixes, mashups or user generated content which may contain background noise or overlapping sound sources. Okay, like in YouTube we post our video with an background music. Okay, so the YouTube algorithm correctly classify the genre of the music used in the YouTube video. Okay, and that is in the background directly, and this is a real world example of how basically YouTube understand the music by watching the background. The project stimulates such real world challenges by introducing tempo adjustment, environmental noise into music tracks, making classification significantly harder and more realistic, like how YouTube and other streaming platform classify the music even in background. Now for the domain of the problem. Okay, this is a supervised machine learning problem, so you already have the training data to train on and test data to test on. Now under the machine learning category, it's a multi-class classification problem. So you have like 10 genre of the song which you have to correctly categorize. Okay, now the matrix used here is the macro F1 score. In short, we compute the F1 score per class of the song genre and then we take average. Okay, of the whole F1 score. Then the domain of the composition is the image classification, where we use computer vision tags to solve this problem. It's an audio classification, but we use our computer vision. Okay, now for the data set. So basically we are given here 3 folders and 2 CSV files. Okay, here our test CSV contains the song ID and the file name of the song which is under the mashup folder. Okay, and this is the testing audio. Now for our inputs. Okay, for our folder name, the genre term folder which you will find here is our training folder. Okay, here you will see the 10 directories here or folder which contains the genre of the song. Okay, so if you'll go to one song, you will see the bass, music, the drums, the other and the vocals. Okay, so in short this is our training data and it contains 10 genre and each genre have 100 songs, and this is the folder that had to be trained. So here each training folder will have bass, drums, others and vocals etc. for our each songs. Okay, the blues, the classicals, the rocks etc. Okay, we'll have these four category of music for each data. Okay, now for the next folder, which is ES250 master. Okay, this folder contains the environmental noise and it is used to stimulate noise ready condition, and you have to perform data argumentation on it. So if you give your ES50 master, you could see here many audio files which include the dog barking or the car horn etc. Okay, so this is basically the environmental noise that is added to the test one. Okay, and you have to make sure that your model ignores the environmental noise. Now for the mashup folder, here there are 3020 noisy audio files. Okay, here basically it is the your test data which you have to test on. Here you have to first extract feature, then you have to predict the genre of the song. Okay, if you will see your sample.csv, you would find that each id is mapped into the genre of here. Okay, here id will come from the test.csv which you have to predict. Okay, here the output will be one of the 10 song category that is inside the genre stem folder. Now the main question is that is it a computer vision task or it is an audio classification problem. Okay, so in short it is an audio classification problem, but here you will be converting the audio to numerical representation, basically spectrogram, and we have to basically train our model in our spectrogram only. You must have heard the term that the computer can't listen but it sees the audio in the visual form. This is basically what spectrogram is for. Okay, here we make a visual representation spectrogram of our audio, and here basically our model learn this pattern. Okay, this visual pattern. So it's an audio classification problem, but when we convert audio into spectrogram, this spectrogram becomes 2D time frequency image. Okay, so we treat it like a computer vision on spectrogram image problem. So you will be using your CNNs, convoluted neural network etc. for this audio classification tasks. Okay, and here you will be training on the visual spectrogram of the audio. Now for our next part is that what should work. Okay, for this project, here since the data is an audio based noisy deep learning model that operates on spectrogram representation, this model should work the best. Okay, first is the AST, which is basically audio spectrogram transformer, and many others which is listed. Also you should note that here pre-trained model will perform best, not these scratch models. Okay, so your scratch model will not give you the best output. Further, we have the Beats here by Microsoft, which is by far the most best expected model that should work. Okay, so definitely try that. Now the next part is what you should know and learn. Okay, first thing is that you must know the audio processing like male scale, log scaling, spectrograms, and how we convert audio to image. Okay, this one is the main part. You need to know how we process audio in our deep learning. Then you need to know this is CNN for spectrogram images. Okay, here you will understand what is convolution, what is kernel, what is feature map, and how the CNN capture pattern. Okay, this one is the most important part for the whole learning thing. Okay, you could find in week 3 and 4 of the DL GenAI course. Then you must know how we use pre-trained transformer in our Kaggle notebook. Okay, so you will be learning how to import pre-train, how we fine-tune what is freezing and unfreezing layer, and how we use Hugging Face to solve this problem, also to deploy it. Okay, so here basically you need to learn how to use scratch model as well as how we use pre-trained model also, and we need to learn LSTM for one of the 3 model that is required as one of the 2 scratch model. You could find it here. Okay, in your milestone 4 and milestone 5 you need to learn how we use LSTM to solve this problem as a sequential data set. Now don't learn these things. Okay, the models that won't help is the RNN LSTM. Okay, it is not made for that. Hyperparameter theory and feature engineering, it's not machine learning, is deep learning, so this model will not help you. And for this transfer learning part, the BERT and Robeta and the vision transformer will not help. Okay, use the audio transformers instead. So your BERT, Robeta, etc., and some vision transformer will not help in this project. So as far as this project is confirmed, this audio transformer will work the best. Okay, as the web to work Hyper and Beats by Microsoft. This text transformer or vision transformer will not help. Now for the demo notebook. Okay, so here you will see that I have making demo notebook. First I imported OS and Torch, then the librosa to make spectrogram image. This librosa is what will make image to audio. Okay, image to audio. And then I imported NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation, then Torch neural network and data loader and dataset. Okay, and then I use my GPU and then I load the files folders from the dataset here. Okay, and then I imported all the audios from the genres stems. Okay, so here I load the audios and I train on the drums, vocals, bass and others, etc. Okay, here I imported all the audios, then I stack each one of the audio together and I merge them. Okay, then finally I use the librosa to convert audio to image, and here I use the first 10th image here. Okay, then I prepare the data and make it into data loader so we could train in chunks, and then I making simple CNN model with our first convoluted network, then ReLU function, then max pooling, then once again convoluted, then ReLU and then max pooling. Okay, then I use our cross entropy loss as our loss function and Adam as an optimizer function. Then I train for here 2 epochs and then I got the loss, and then I directly predict and I submitted the whole model here. Okay, so in short, this is an image classification problem where I use the librosa to change the audio to image here. Okay, using the song path, and then I make the spectrogram with the first 5 seconds here, and then I make a CNN model, and then I finally submitted it. Okay, so that's all for today. Remember that this project bridged theoretical deep learning concept with real world audio classification. Okay, so we have challenges, emphasis, robustness, experimentation and practical deployment in this project. Okay, here you need to remember the core skill is to learn how deep learning could understand patterns from audio spectrograms, and this is the core skills for this project. Now my next video will be on how to improve your score in Kaggle, and our next video will be to how we ready for Viva for this project. Okay, so if you want to get notification, do subscribe. And I am also thinking of an deep learning project bootcamp. So what do you think? Do comment. Okay, for this thing, and also do subscribe. So that's all for today. All the best for the project, and thank you and bye bye.